Students from Northeast India in New Delhi today stage a protest against the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 at Jantar Mantar, demanding protection of the basic values of the constitution and rights of indigenous people of India's Northeast. They also condemned the police brutalities on protesters. Ishwar Nayak, a resident of Tangla in Udalguri district in Assam, who was injured during an anti-Citizenship Amendment Act protest in Guwahati on Wednesday, succumbed to his injuries today. According to media reports, the 25-year-old was shot at from behind while he was protesting against the Citizenship Amendment Bill in downtown area of the city on Wednesday. After Northeast, the violent protests against the Citizenship Act have hit several other states with tensions escalating in West Bengal, Delhi and Maharashtra. Several incidents of violence were reported in Howrah and Murshidabad districts of West Bengal, where protesters blocked roads and vandalized railway stations, leading to disruptions in vehicular movement and train services. Manipur MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan today flagged off a 4-member team of National Institute of Mountaineering and Allied Sports for a 40-day cycle rally to Southeast Asian countries. It was flagged off from Kangla in Imphal. The cycle trip will cover Myanmar, Thailand and Malaysia, which is a distance of about 4,000 kilometers. Extending solidarity to the mass ongoing anti-Citizenship Amendment Act agitation in the north states, where several protesters have lost their lives and several have sustained injuries, people from all walks of life today stage a silent protest in front of Kangla in Imphal. Teachers, students, journalists, filmmakers, social workers, artists and athletes took part in the demonstration. A book titled Aseng Basaktam, written by Laishram Memcha Devi, was released today at Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Hall, Teachers Colony of Jiribam. Manipuri Sahitya Parisad, Jiribam organized the event. Premiere show of Bigo Live Amada, a Manipuri film, was held today at the Manipur State Film Development Society Palace Compound, Imphal. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam, Film Forum Chairman S. Mangoljao were also present at the event. Produced by Sunil Thangjam, the film is directed by Bimol Fibo. In Meghalaya, amid the Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act protest, the District Magistrate of East Khasi Hills District has relaxed the curfew for 13 hours today in all curfew-bound areas notified under Lumdiengzri Police Station and Sadar Police Station and their respective outposts and beat houses. Northeast is on the way to face an artificial scarcity of petroleum products as well as other essential commodities very soon. According to sources, the Indian Railway authorities have been instructed to stop the movement of goods trains, including trains carrying petroleum products to the northeast, citing the unrest going on in the region in protest against CAB 2019. There could be some changes in the Citizenship Amendment Act, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has indicated, as he blamed the Congress party for instigating violence in the Northeast, where protests have erupted leading to the death of at least 3 people. Amit Shah said he wants to assure the people of Assam and other states of the Northeast that their culture, language, social identity and political rights will not be affected by the act, a media report said. Negotiators worked into the early hours today to try to salvage a strong global commitment in fighting climate change after some of the most vulnerable nations said they were being sidelined at a marathon UN summit in Madrid. According to media reports, talks were scheduled to conclude on Friday last, but extended into a second extra day as major economies and smaller states struggled to resolve outstanding issues under the 2015 Paris Agreement to tackle global warming. China has suspended additional tariffs on some US goods that were meant to be implemented today, after the world's two largest economies agreed a Phase 1 trade deal on Friday. The deal, rumors and leaks over which have gyrated world markets for months, reduces some US tariffs in exchange for what US officials said would be a big jump in Chinese purchases of American farm products and other goods, according to a media report. The Lilong AC Open Mini Marathon 2019 was held today, jointly organized by District Police Thoubal, All Lilong Anti-Drug Association, Anjuman, Lilong Sports Association, Lilong Bazaar Area Development Committee, Islamic Cultural and Research Organization and Citizens Development Organization.